were with me in this previous video, you'll know that on a sandblasting box, there's a glass that goes on here with a little plastic cover. Well, anyway, one of the pains in the asses is each one of these has a screw and a nut, screw and nut. There's 12 of them on here. What I'm going to do is put this rivet nut thing in here, pop it in there, and just use little knobs. Did I come up with this idea myself? No. I seen someone else do it when I was looking at how to refurb or how to upgrade your sandblasting box. Most of them had flip fronts, which I don't need because this one has 2 side doors. But I'm going to implant this in here. Pretty sure it needs a little bit of a bigger hole. I'll probably do that right now, actually. And I will rivet nut the whole thing in there. I've got 10 of these things, and I'll see if it works. Thanks to these little gizmos. I'll get this in focus now. Come on, focus, you damn thing. Focus. Focus, focus. It doesn't want to focus. Does not want to focus. Come on, you stupid thing. There we go. That's the little rivet nut. It just goes in there and just goes in like a, what do you call it? Like a pop rivet, only it has a screw in the middle. Pretty cool. Check them out on Amazon, eBay, they're all over the place. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hello, folks. Sorry about the bad lighting. I have a little light in my face. I'm putting rivet nuts in here. And seeing as I found the rivet nuts, I'm going to put them all in here. So basically it's a M5 rivet nut. Putting little knobs in here. I figured I might as well do it tonight. My light bulb burnt out, so ta-da! I don't know if it's sharp on the bottom, but I'm going to put it in there anyway. I'm going to get the rivet nut thing out here. Stay tuned. M5, where is it? M5. Come on. I'm not too certain how this thing comes apart, but apparently there's a tool here that is designed to help you. So I'm guessing, let's see, this tool goes like so. It takes that off there. Guessing the whole thing comes out of here. Okay, that's the little piece that goes in there. This piece unscrews. So this is supposed to, I don't know. Where does it unscrew from? Okay, there's a knob over here. I guess. How the hell? How does this work? Okay, maybe that goes in there. Stops it from turning. I don't know. Don't know. Doesn't want to work. Let me pause this. Well, I figured it out. You have to take the fancy cap off and screw this thing. Read the instructions. Yeah, it would help. Put that in there. I'm guessing it doesn't have to be in super tight. This little fancy cap goes on the top. And I am guessing this rivet nut goes, take this out of here. If I screw this up, I don't have any replacements. I have like exact amount of rivet nuts. So I'm guessing I screw this all the way in here like so. And then I put this in here like so. Then I go, does it work? supposed to. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah. I forgot a piece. That would help. Put the rest of it on. Don't want to lose in the sand. Put this piece on there. That little thing screws on there. Okay, I get it now. Screw that piece on. Screw this on here, like so. Put it on there and then. Oh. That's what I'm supposed to do. Then what I do is just. How the hell? Like that? No. Well, that doesn't go on like that. How the hell does that work? It's supposed to push outward. Let me stop this. There we go. Ta-da. Kind of takes a bit of getting used to, but hey, works pretty good. Put this here for now, and I'll stop and I'll go around. I'll show you the finished product. Oh shit! Screwed that one up. Oh well. That one there. Let's see. There we go. I screwed up one. I was trying not to. I'm going to buy about 100 of these things each, just so I can do another project. Put them in there and just press together. Would it be nice to have a hydraulic one? Yeah, a pneumatic rivet nutter would be good. So let me put this over here for now. We don't need the rivet nut tools. This one is not the 151. And now, if we take this out of here, now the original plate that goes on here, fits on here. Hold on, let me get all the old screws out of here first. So now this little devilish piece of plastic I have here, when you got to change the window, you can just go like this. Put that in there. Lines up, should be fine. There we go. That one goes in there. This one can go in here. Should work. Might have to be drilled out a little, maybe. Yeah, might be, the holes might have to be a little further apart. For the most part, it did pretty good. So now, anytime you want to change the glass on this thing, no problem whatsoever. Just take the little screws out here. There we go. See? That'll just adjust the screw, the holes in their plastic, make them a little wider. But for the most part, just going through there. No, that one does not want to cooperate. That one don't want to cooperate. So minor tweaking. See, this one's too far that way. So there we go. This one's fine. So at the end of the day, these holes just need to be a little bit bigger. I'll take a drill and I'll drill them out. But for now, anyway, as you can see, this clamps down pretty good. This one is a little bit awkward. There we go. Ta-da! They're not fully adjusted, but if you have a sandblasting box and you want to change this glass, I'm pretty sure you know that there's no thumb things on here. See, this hole has to be drilled a little bigger. This one a little bigger. Most of the end one. For the most part, got one there. Let's see. Put one right here. I think there's one more somewhere. No, I think we screwed up two of them. So yeah, thumb screws instead of regular screws and nuts. Before I had rusted out screws and rusted out nuts on the back. It was nuts. And I apologize for the bad lighting and the greasy head. I've been doing work. Pretty soon this will be back together and I'll have my hands in here. So thanks for watching. Poodles.